Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Remove the emergency metal key by sliding the release, then set it aside. Use a small flathead or plastic pry tool to split the fob seam. Work at the notch near the keyring. Pry gently to avoid breaking plastic, applying steady pressure along the seam until the two halves separate. Once open, lay the fob on a clean cloth so components don't roll away, and note battery orientation before touching anything else. With the fob open, identify the CR2032 cell and how it sits in the holder. You'll replace with the same orientation. Carefully lever the old battery out using a plastic pick so you don't deform the metal clip. Inspect the contacts. If dirty or corroded, clean with a cotton swab and isopropyl. Allow to dry. Press the new CR2032 into place until it snaps under the retaining clip, ensuring a firm, flush connection before reassembly. Once the new battery sits properly, align the two halves and press them together until they click. Don't force one side more than the other. Reinsert the emergency key and any screw you removed. Now test the fob at normal range. Lock, unlock, and if applicable, remote start. Stand 3 to 6 feet away and press firmly. If the fob doesn't work, make sure the battery is seated, contacts are tight, and try a different CR2032 before considering reprogramming or dealer service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.